If you download data out of a system, it's likely you've come across data which exports in a CSV format. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and well, you've probably guessed, but this means each field or column of your data is separated by a comma. In today's short video, I'll show you how to set up an automation using Power Query, which means you're able to import data and separate it out with just one click. Oh, and if you want to follow along, you can download the example workbook for free from the link in the description. This is the file we'll be working with. It's made up of 5 fields, which are city, country, month, year, and average temperature. One way of getting this data into Excel is to select all the data, copy it by pressing Ctrl+C, then pasting it into one column in Excel. To split this out into its 5 columns, you can then come to the Text to Column section on the Data tab. You then have 2 options to choose from. Delimited, which means there is a specific separator you can split the column by, or fixed width. As this data is a CSV, we need to select the delimited. Click Next and then select comma. This final section just gives you more options and shows you a preview of the data before you load it. Click Finish and there you go. This is now separated into the 5 columns we can now use for any data analysis. The main drawback of this solution is that if new data becomes available in the file, or it's overwritten, then we need to perform these steps each time. So here's how we can create and automate this process using Power Query. On the Data tab again, come over and select From Text/CSV. Navigate to where your file is saved, select it and then click Import. Power Query has already recognised that the data is separated with a comma, but if you did need to change this, you can do so here. Next, come down to the Load section and select Load To. This gives you a few options on how you want your data loaded, but to keep it simple, I'll select Table and to a new worksheet. Now, if our file updates, all we need to do is right-click on the table and click Refresh to update our table. Well, I hope you found this video useful and you can use it within your workplace. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.